everyone. Welcome to a new episode of BoAi's Slow English. In today's lesson, I want to go over different ways to say that you're mad or you're sad. As a language learner myself, I have a hard time articulating my feelings, and it's hard to convey your emotions when you're just saying, I am sad, I am mad. So hopefully you will find this useful in your everyday vocabulary. Actually, hopefully you don't have to use these vocabulary words because I don't want you to be sad or mad, of course. Please do me a favor first. Hit like and subscribe to my channel. It's your way of communicating to me that you are enjoying this content and that it is helpful. So thank you for all of your support. I think I want to make a series of emotions and teaching you more descriptive ways of expressing yourself. What do you think? Leave a comment and let me know your thoughts. Let's start with synonyms for the word sad. Synonyms are different words that have similar meaning. Number 1, I'm feeling down. Repeat after me. I'm feeling down. This is a casual way of saying that you're sad or depressed. Depressed is another way of saying you're really, really sad. Please note, depressed starts with the letters D-E, which is normally pronounced as D, but in spoken English, it's depressed, depressed. Here's an example of how to use I'm feeling down. My football team did not make it to the Super Bowl, so I'm feeling down today. Number 2, I'm heartbroken. Repeat after me. I'm heartbroken. Heartbroken is a compound word. Heart and broken. This term means extreme sadness, usually because of a loss or an emotional event. For example, unfortunately, my dog passed away, so I am feeling heartbroken. Number 3, I'm blue. Repeat after me. I'm blue. To say I'm blue is a more poetic or old-fashioned way of saying that you're sad or melancholic. For example, I'm blue because my best friend moved away. Number 4, I'm feeling low. Repeat after me. I'm feeling low. This means feeling sad or lacking energy or motivation. For example, I'm feeling low because the weather has been so gray and gloomy lately. Number 5, I'm crushed. Repeat after me. I'm crushed. This means that you're deeply upset or devastated, often by something disappointing or painful. For example, I'm crushed. I did not get another callback for that acting job. Now let's focus on the word mad and different ways to express that. I'm furious. Repeat after me. I'm furious. This means you're very angry, full of intense rage. I am furious that my upstairs neighbor is so loud. Number 2, I'm upset. Repeat after me. I'm upset. This means emotionally unhappy or disturbed, but not as strong as angry. I'm upset that they want to charge me $5,000 for that. Number 3, I'm livid. Repeat after me. I'm livid. This means extremely angry to the point of feeling out of control. For example, I'm livid. My car got totaled because that driver was so negligent. Number 4, I'm fuming. Repeat after me. I'm fuming. This means that you're so angry that you could hardly contain your emotions, like you're about to explode. For example, I am fuming that my cat keeps scratching up my new couch. Number 5, I'm angry beyond words. Repeat after me. I'm angry beyond words. This means that you're so angry that you can't express it properly in words. For example, I'm angry beyond words that she tried to cut me off in traffic. Leave in the comments a few of your own examples using these terms. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. That way I can help you be more proficient in English and speak with confidence. Thank you, bye!